everyone! Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing of the Uppababy Cruz stroller. This is the 2018-2019 version. Nothing has changed in 2019. I got the color Loic, which is white. So here we go. Here's the handlebar. This is the rain cover. This is the bug cover. Here it is folded up. I'm going to go through that all over again because it took me a few tries to figure this out. So there's this little lever on the side that you undo, and then it comes unfolded. I'm going to unlock the wheels, and it feels really good. I'm also going to put the handlebar lower because I'm short. So just for reference, I'm 5'1". It feels really smooth. Yeah, I like the way the wheels work, and I like the way this feels. This comes out really easily. It has a little flap here that's magnetic, so you can see inside. And then, so once everything's closed up, the seat is in line with the frame, and then the wheels are locked. Then you have to pull up this handlebar all the way. Then you do the triggers, and it folds up. Here's that lever to unhook it and unfold it. It just goes like that. And again, that only works when the wheels are locked. Here is the close-up of the stroller. These are the real leather handles. And like I was saying before, I was concerned about the white being stained easily, and I actually got a stain repellent to spray on it. I will show you that. But it's a very shiny white. It's not a matte that would kind of like collect dust and show it really easy. Like this seems like it would be able to wipe pretty easily. And then here is the magnetic flap that you can see through. And there's a little toggle here if you wanted to roll that up. And when it's standing, it has these little rubber guys that it sits on, so it's not messing up your leather handlebars, and it's not scratching this up. These rubber guys will take that. And then it's got the little button here to recline and adjust the seat. And here's the lock for the wheels and the big storage bag underneath. And I like it because it's not too big. Like it's not overly big. It looks like it has a cup holder here. It has a pocket here and another small pocket. Seems like that would be good for a phone. And so let's see. Going around. The seat is kind of, it's like a matte black. I would say it's even kind of a charcoal. It's probably not all the way black. It's more charcoal, this interior fabric. And I also like that it's not closed down here, so it's not going to collect a bunch of crumbs. So those should just fall through. And then it's got the leather handlebar here. And these come off, so this will come off like that and just kind of, so you can access there, and it does that on the other side as well. Here is the, tucked in here is the little sun visor, and it's not little at all, it's actually very big, but it's cool. You can just do a little bit, or you can bring it out all the way. There it is, out all the way. And then it just tucks back in. Here's the little harnesses. And again, I'm gonna do the infant insert. And the wheels are like a firm rubber, but it's not like a hard plastic. Okay, so here's the next test. Come on, Aru, come on. I ended up having to put him in there because he couldn't jump in, but if you do have a small Yorkie poo, he will fit in the bottom basket of the Uppababy Cruz stroller. You ready to go? This is the stain repellent that I ordered. It's Markk Premium Stain and Water Repellent. It's called Repel. I just got this on Amazon. I think it was a little pricey. It was like maybe $18. It's like a water-based, which I heard Scotchgard, it's like cancerous stuff in it, so this seemed better to me. So this is what I was planning on using on the canopy and on the back part of the seat that's white, just to keep the stains off. And I don't know, I'm not sure if I'll use it now that I see this fabric, because I don't want to do anything weird to it. I wanted to show the infant insert quickly. I just unboxed it, and it's cool because it's reversible. So it has this like very plush side that would be nice for winter time. And then the reverse side is like a more breathable, kind of like a mesh material. And the same for the little headrest. So this side is like fuzzy mink fabric, and then this side is mesh. So I'm gonna have it on the mesh since it's summertime. Okay, so there you have the Uppababy Cruz stroller in Loic. This is the 2018-2019 version. And my first impression is that I really like it. I think the quality is great. Of course, the price point is higher, so I would expect the quality to be really good. And the white, I think will, I'm sure it'll get some stains and things, but I may spray it with a stain repellent and see if that helps. But I'm also not too concerned because it's a very shiny material and it seems like it'll hold up well. So I will maybe do a follow-up review once I've used it a few times and let you know what I think. Thanks for watching.